Week 1 is Make It All Martha. Make It All Martha views clutter and disorganization as the enemy, but she's moving so fast she doesn't have time to deal with it. For Martha to become motivated to get and stay organized, she needs a fellow quilter to act as her accountability buddy. She also needs to make the organizing project fun, or she won't want to do it. Enlisting the help of a friend and playing music during the process would make it enjoyable and help Martha focus on the task at hand. Characteristics. She gets overwhelmed by stuff and commitments and blows off housework or other responsibilities to sew. She has multiple projects going, none get finished. She tends to lose track of time and procrastinate. She always buys the latest tools, gadgets, and books. She not only buys the book, but everything that goes with it. Fast first projects. Identify the most stress-inducing space and start there first. Are your tools in several places? Create order by putting like things together. With newly designed storage spaces, they will be easy to find when you need them and even easier to put away. Pick something you're interested in the most. Love your fabric scraps? Dig in and get those organized. Schedule specific times in your calendar to organize your sewing items or room and keep this appointment with yourself. Small changes over time yield big results. Start small, but start now. Optimal organizing tools. Shopping tip. Always opt for the simplest and easiest version of any tool you are interested in. Lazy Susans, pull-out drawers, and hooks are perfect for organizing and are easy to use. Let a timer keep track of your efforts. Organize for 15 minutes at a time to begin, and do it daily, or as often as possible until the organizing project is completed.